First chapter, Dirgha Jiviti Adhyay. This chapter is of Sutrasthan first chapter and it is a present in a Vesa Chatuska. Dirgha Jiviti Adhyay is a made of two words, Dirgha and Jivitya. Means Dirgha is a long and Jivit means life. This chapter deals with the basic concept of Ayurveda which leads for the longevity. First topic is Ayurveda Avatarana. Ayurveda has a first Brahma. Brahma gives Ayurveda is a origin through first Brahma and it's give Daksh Prajapati. Daksh Prajapati is a give Aswini Kumar and Aswini Kumar gives Indra and Indra gives Bharadwaj. The Sutra of Ayurveda. हेतुलिंग औसत ज्ञानम ससतु परायणम ति सूत्रम शाश्वतम पुण्यम बबुदेयम पितामह. Lord Indra explained the Ayurveda to Bharadwaj, which consists of the sutras such as a Hetu, Ling, and Ausada. Hetu is a causative factor, Ling is a sign and symptoms, Ausad is a medicine, which are the best useful for both the Swasthya and Atura, as understood by the Brahma earlier. षट्पदार्थ सामान्यं च विशेष गुणानि द्रव्याणि कर्म च संवाय च तच्च ज्ञात्वा તંત્રોક્ત વિધિ મસ્તતા. એટલે કે ષટ પદાર્થ ઓફ આયુર્વેદા ઇઝ અ ફર્સ્ટ સામાન્ય, સેકન્ડ વિશેષ, થર્ડ ગુણ, ફોર દ્રવ્ય, ફાઇવ કર્મ એન્ડ સિક્સ સમવાય. આયુર્વેદા ડેફિનેશન. हिता हितं सुख दुःख मायुतस्य हिता हितं मानचं तच्च यत्रोक Ayurvedasya उच्यते. Ayurveda is defined as the science which deals with the measures of Sukhayu, Dukhayu, Hitayu, and Ahitayu, which guide on hit and ahit of them. Ayu Lakshan and Paryaya. शरीर इंद्रिय सत्वात्मा संयोगधारी जीवितम नित्यगश्चानुबंधश्च पर्याय उच्यते. Ayu is a combination of sharir, indriya, sattva and atma. Paryay of Ayu are jivit, nityak and anubadh. Definition of Sat Padarth. First is a Sat Padarth is a Samanya and second is a Vishesh. As a definition is a Sarvada Sarvabhavana Samanyam Vruddhi Karanam Asa Hetu Visheshacha Pravrutti Rupasya Tu. The Samanya cause increase and the Vishesh cause decrease of the Bhav Padarth at all times, but these effects are produced by their application in the Sarira. सामान्यम मेकत्वकरम विशेषत्व पृथक्त्वम तुल्यता ही सामान्यम विशेषस्तु विपर्य. सामान्य bring एकत्व and विशेष bring पृथक्त्व. सामान्य is a tulya अर्थकता is similarity and विशेष is a opposite to it dissimilarity. गुण. सार्थ गुर्वादया बुद्धि प्रयत्न अंत परादया गुणा प्रोक्ता. सार्थ गुण is a शब्द, स्पर्श, रूप, रस and गंध. गुर्वादि गुण is a 20. आत्मा गुण is a बुद्धि, सुख, दुख, इच्छा, देश, प्रयत्न and परादि गुण is a 10. द्रव्य. द्रव्य definition. यत्र सीता कर्म गुणा कारणम संवायत तद्द्रव्यम. The dravya is a one in which the gun and karma exist with the samvay sabbad. कर्म. संयोग च विभागे च कारणम द्रव्य आश्रितम कर्तव्यस्य क्रिया कर्म नानात्वत् क्षयते. Karma is a present in a dravya and is a karan for the sanyog and vibhag, and karma is a kriya does not depend on any other factor. समवाय. डेफिनेशन. समवायो पृथग्य भावो भूमिद्यानां गुणे मत स नित्यो यत्र हि द्रव्यं न तत्रानीतो गुण. Samvaya is a inseparable relations of dravya with their guns. Ayurved प्रयोजना इत्युक्तं कारणं कार्यसमवायि मिहोच्यते धातु साम्य क्रिया चोक्तं तन्त्रस्यास्य प्रयोजनम्. After the explaining of Karan Karya is explained that is a Dhatu Samya. The purpose of Ayurveda is a Dhatu Samya Kriya. Classification of Dravya. Trivi Dravya. First is a Dos Prashamana, second is a Dhatu Pradushana, and third is a Swasthahita. Dravya has a again is a divided by three. First is a Jangam Dravya, second is a Udbid Dravya, and third is a Parthi Dravya. Sneh has a four types Sarpi, Tela, Vasa and Maja. And five types of Lavan is a first is a Saurvachal Lavan, second is a Sedhav Lavan, third is a Bidlam Lavan, fourth is a Odbid Lavan and five is a Samudra Lavan. Eight type of Mutra Avimutra, Ajamutra, Gomutra, Mahismutra, Hastimutra, Ushtamutra, Ayamutra and Kharamutra. Eight type of Kshir. First is a Avikshira, second is a Ajakshira, third is a Gokshira, fourth is a Mahishira, five is a Ustrishira, six is a Nagikshira, seven is a Vadvaikshira, and eight is a Strikshira. Write about the Dravya and its a classification and importance of Dravya. Again is a described the Sat Padat. Uh, the first is a सामान्यं च विशेषं गुणान् द्रव्याणि कर्म च समवाय च तच ज्ञात्वा तंत्रोक्त વિધિમસ્તતા. તો દ્રવ્ય ઇઝ વન અમોંગ ધ સટ પદાર્થ. દ્રવ્યને આપણે છ પદાર્થમાંથી એક કહીશું. ફર્સ્ટ ડેફિનેશન ઓફ દ્રવ્ય યત્ર સીતા કર્મ ગુણા કારણમ સમવાયત તદ્રવ્યમ. The Dravya is one which the gun and karma exist in the समवाय संबंध. द्रव्य संग्रह में कौन से आएंगे? फर्स्ट आकाश, सेकंड वायु, थर्ड तेज, फोर्थ जल, फाइव पृथ्वी which is a khadi anya, and sixth is a atma, seven is a kala, eight is a mana, and nine is a dik. It is a nine karan dravya. This nine Karan Dravya called as a Dravya Sangrahan and Karan Dravya by which all other Karya Dravya will be produced. Dravya Vargikaran Kinchi Dos Prasamana Kinchi Dhatu Pradushana Swastha Vruto Matam Kinchi Trividam Dravya Muchate. Dos Prasamana first Dravya, second is a Dhatu Pradushana, and third is a Swastha Vruta. तत पुनः स्त्रीविधम प्रोक्तम जांगम उद्भिद पार्थिव्यम. Dravya is a three type. First is a Jangam, second is a Udbid Dravya, and third is a Parthiv Dravya. Example of Jangam Dravya is a Madhu, Goras, Pita, Vasa, Maja, Asruka, Amisa, Vita, Mutra, Charma, Retas, Asti, Kes, Lom, and Rochana. Example of Odbid Dravya is a Vanaspati Dravya, Vanaspatya, Virud, and Osadi. Vanaspati Dravya is a only having the fruit. Okay, examples, and second is a Vanaspatya as example fruits and flowers, and Virud may present creeps which is a separate with supports, and fourth is a Ozad. They dies when the fruit are mature. Example of Parthiv Dravya. Parthiv Dravya has an example. First is a Swarna, Panchaloha, Samala, Sikta, Sudha, Manasila, Ana, Mani, Lavan, Gerik, and Anjana. Dravya has another types is a Mulini Dravya, Falini Dravya, Mahasni, Lavan, Mutra, Dugdha, and Sudan Vriksha. Mulini Dravya has a 16. First is a Hastidanta, Hemavati, Shyama, Trivruta, Adogura, Saptala, Sveta, Pratyakshreni, Gavaksi, Jyotismati, Bimbi, Bimbi, Ranpuspy, Vishanika, Ajgandha, Dravanti, and Kshirini. Falini Dravya is a 19. First is a Sangini, Vidanga, Trapusa, Madana, Dharmaga, Ikshaku, Jitmutaka, અને કૃતવેદના. બલિતક, પ્રક્રિયા, ઉદક્રિયા, પ્રત્યક પુષ્પી, ઉભય, અંતરકોટ પુષ્પ, હસ્તિપર્ણી, શારદા, કંપલિક, આરગવદ and કુટજ. Mahasne is a first Sarpi, Tela, Vasa and Maja. Panch is a Lavana, Sarvachal Lavana, Senta Lavana, Vind Lavana, Odbit Lavana and Samudra Lavana. Ashtamutra is a Abhikshira, Ajakshira, sorry. Ashtamutra is a Mutra, Ajamutra, Gomutra, Mahismutra, Astimutra, Ushtamutra, Hayamutra and Kharamutra. Ashtadugdha is a Avikshira, Ajakshir, Gokshir, Ushtakshir, Nagikshir, Vadvaikshir, Mahikshir, and Stekshir. Chodarvus is a Asmantaka, Snuhi, Arka, Putika, Kuspa, Kushyagandha, Tilvaka. Importance of Bhesaja. योगादपि विषम तीक्ष्णं मुतं भेषजं भवेत् भेषजं चापि दुर्युक्तं तीक्ष्णं सम्पदते विषन्. Even a wish can become bhesaja when it properly administered. On the other hand, the bhesaj act as a strong wish if it is not properly administered. तदेव संयुक्तं भेषजं यदारोग्याय कल्पते सचैव भेषजा श्रेष्ठो रोगेभ्योः pramochayate. The medicine which restore good health only is known as a Shrestha Bhesaja, and the Ved who is a relieves rogi from roga only it considered as a Shrestha Veda.